Okay guys, so today we're going to be looking at the Lavinda nail drill, and it's pink and it's super cute. And obviously I'm going to go ahead and open it up. This is a voiceover, as you guys can tell. And when you open it, you have the booklet so you can see how to use it properly, what not to do, what to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and sit down off to the side and go ahead and take it out. And it's much smaller than I thought it was going to be, but I actually like the small, compact way it is rather than how big I thought it was going to be. So I'm actually happy with that. And this is how everything sits in the box. When you open it up, you have your nail drill. I actually love this nail drill after holding it a good amount of times because it's really light, and since my hands are small and dealing with something heavy is just not where it's at for me, I love it even more. So, and then you have your nail bits, all of them, everything set up nicely, and I'm going to go ahead and test it out. Obviously, we won't know for sure exactly how well it performs until I'm using it more, so I'll give you guys an update as I'm using it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and plug everything up. And there's also a foot pedal, but I won't be using that. I'm not good with that. And I'm gonna go ahead and plug this up so we can test it out a bit. So there's an option to plug it into the foot pedal or the regular into the wall. So I put it into the wall. Now I'm just going to turn it on. Turning it on, you just literally start turning it and the speed starts to go up. Right now I have it on 3, it's not too high. Now it's going up. And I'm gonna let you guys hear this. Alright, so for the rest of the video, I'm just trying out some of the nail bits, and I will give you guys an update and tell you guys how good this works. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Love you guys.